The Check Positive Pay system provides information to aid in reconciling the current status of issue items and check or draft activity on an account. The information is accessible on the Reconciliation Report. Click on the Reports drop-down menu and select Reconciliation. The Reconciliation Report will default to the current day, but the date range can be easily updated by clicking in the Start Date field and selecting a new date from the Calendar drop-down. The End Date field is locked from editing and defaults to the current day. This report can be filtered further by selecting a specific account from the Account drop-down menu and/or by check status. The report displays summary totals for all items issued during the date range selected, outstanding issue items as of the end date selected, the number of items paid, returned, stopped, and voided during the date range selected. To view a list of detailed items in any check status category, click on the blue number link in the Total column. It's important to note that this reconciliation report only reflects items that have been loaded into ProChecks. A pop-up window will appear that provides details for the transactions in that status. The reconcilement report can also be exported to CSV and will display detail for a check status items for the date range, account, or status selected in the filter.